Hey guys, thanks for joining us here today for the review. I want to do a review today on the KN&F Concept Stand, as you can see here. A tripod that you can use for your cameras, your iPhones, whatever you want to use. Now, as you can see, the great thing about to start with is look how customizable it is. You see, you've got the number of different features. So the top, you can completely move it like this. You've also got this part here where you can actually put on your camera. So I'm using my iPhone here as an example. So what you do is, this part here is what you tie into the cameras, etc. You put it on there. So say this is a camera, you screw that in there like this, like that, and then you put that in here like this, and it locks in. So I also use this for my teleprompter as well. It works quite well. So undo that. The thing is, you want to have a very stable camera base, don't you, when you've got the technology on there, and then you can put your camera on there like so, like that. See, you also have here. This is also adjustable. So you've got the 360 here, so you can turn that around. Turns around. You can adjust this too. You can adjust the height here through this, which is great. You can also adjust these legs as well. So legs here, they go out further like that. So as you can see, it's very, very customizable. And I also like how it's got on there, you can see actually the angle of it too, kind of where it's, you can also see the angle on the top of where it's facing as well. But it's easy as well just to pop it again. So take that off. And you can fold it all up. It's very customizable. But look at it here. It's very, very strong. Very, very strong steel. Very, very lightweight too. And it all packs away nicely. So it's going to go close it up. Close all that up. Like that. Close this up. As I said, it takes like 3 seconds to do. There. And that's what you want. You want to fold away because you don't want to have camera equipment that's a real pain to carry around. You want it to be simple. And then you fold these over like this. So I use this all the time myself. I did have a newer one, but actually broke, would you believe? So I decided to buy one that was more expensive, but more lightweight and more sturdy as well. So it folds all up there. And you can pop it into your little bag it comes with. So it's that easy. So the K&F tripod, it's great.